Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss Apply All Slices and Clear All Slices button. The Apply All Slices buttons allow you to make slicer selections and update report visuals only when you have finished making all slicer selection. Additionally, you can add Clear All Slices button to easily remove any selected slices. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So here on your screen, you can see my order report. And here you can see order quantity by category, order quantity by year, quarter, month and days. And here you can see order quantity by color. On your right hand side, you can see three slicer: region, country and business segment. Let me select a Europe. So once I will select a Europe, it applies to all the visuals. For example, if from business segment, I will select a cloth. So it applies to all the visual as expected. This is the expected behavior. Now let me add these two buttons, apply all slicer and clear all slicer. You can add these two buttons in two different way. One, first you have to click from the top menu, optimize option, and here you can see apply all slicer button. Other way is to on top menu, you have to click on insert, and from insert you click on the button option, and here you can see these two options, apply all slices and clear all slicer. So let me add first apply all slicer and let me place it here. And let me add clear all slicer button and let me place it here. Now let me select region Europe. So once I selected a region Europe, you will notice two things. One is the small watch kind of icon here. Nothing happened on the visual side. So similarly, for example, now from country, I selected Germany, nothing happened on visual side. Let me select on business segment cloth, nothing happened on the visual side. Now let me click on apply slicer. If you are using desktop, so you have to press Control and click on the apply slicer button. And if your report is published on the Power BI service, you have to just click on this button. So let me click on apply slicer. So you'll notice whatever selection we have in the slicer, it applies to all the visual. So similarly for clear all slicer, if I click on the clear all slicer, it clear all the selection. So let me select North America, Canada and accessories. And let me show you one more time again. So it applies to all the visual. Clear all will clear all the selection. Here is one important note. So for the best query reduction experience with Slicer, Microsoft recommended you use the Apply All Slicer button instead of single apply button for Slicer. That's all for this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.